So here's the problem. We have the sunshine there is shining right down on our door sensor. So if I hit the button here to close the door, it's going to come right back up. So obviously a permanent fix if we put some sort of shade or something up there, but doesn't happen too often. I usually don't open the door around this time. I need a bigger box. This whole part you have to shade here. Every part that the sun is shining in the line, not just on the sensor itself. Bigger box. Put this bigger box there. Just gotta time it right where you let the door come down, and you come in. See, so with this big of a box, you kind of just want the top of the box. We're gonna need. Here we go. See if this is wide enough. So you need something more like this, long and flat, and then just shade that part where that sensor comes through. Oh, there you go. That's how you do it. So, hope that worked. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.